Okay, so what I am discussing about that inserting a clip art. So clip art Taj Mahal I have given. Now there are the different picture of Taj Mahals are there. Suppose I am taking this picture. Any clip art picture you can take what the clip art is recommending to you. Any pattern of picture. This picture also you can take. So many pictures are available in front of you. Okay, Majestic India. This also you can take. Let us take this Majestic India. Okay, let us take this Majestic India. Okay, now the picture will going to install. As the picture is going to install, see here, this is a clip art picture. That means by default the picture came in a small format. Let us make it little bit bigger. See here. Okay, so this is the picture. Now similarly in this also you will going to get all the effects that you have implemented here. First let us do the color effect. Okay, color effect. What type of color effect you need? What is there? Recolor it or color this way, color in this way. There are different type of color pattern has been shown. See, this is little bit brighter. So let us take this one. Okay, now color effect. Now artistic effect. What pattern of artistic effect you want to give? Suppose this one. Okay, see, artistic effect is there. Okay, now you want to change the background. What type of background? Suppose this is the pattern of background, or this pattern of background, or this pattern of background, or this pattern of background. Let this background be like this. Okay, picture style. Now picture border. Here the border, I said you that if you give a light border, if you give this, say, if you give this, let us give this border. Have you seen the border color has also been changed? Now picture layout. What pattern of layout you want? There are the different layout. If you want to write anything, that see here the area given to you for writing. If you take this one, suppose you take this one, so the area will be given for you to write. There are the different type of, as soon as you select that, there are the different type of effects will going to come in this particular. You can change the color of it also. See, there are the different type of colors are affected there. Okay, different pattern of colors are affected here. Suppose this color, prominent color is there. So what happened that the previous setting has been changed. Clear? Now those the change what you find that will going to affect in this particular scenario when you are making it. So as you are getting it, suppose I am writing here. Okay, as I am writing here the text. Okay, Taj Mahal. Okay, see Taj, I have written here Taj. Okay, so this is what you find it, the effect is there, that particular effect, the particular work will be conducted. Clear? This is how you can insert the different type of your clip art. Okay, if you want to keep this one, you can keep this one. If you want to change it, you can also change it. Okay, you can also change it. You can also change it. You can also change it. Okay, so this is the thing what you find it that will going to affect. That means as soon as you are selecting the picture, what you find, see, this was the previous one what you have selected. If you want this one, okay, if you want this, see here, this is the previous one and this is the particular format you find it, that in this particular format there are the different type of options are available. If you want to reset the graphics, then you can go here and reset the graphics. Okay, if you want to reset the graphics, that also possible. So reset the graphics. See, it came on the previous one. Okay, so it came on the previous one on the reshape. Now in this particular area, as I have shown you earlier also, there are the different pattern of what color shading, then picture effect, that effect I have given to you. 3D glowing effect is there. If you want to give it in a glowing effect, that is also possible for you. Okay, glowing effect, what is the glowing effect you want to give? Suppose this glowing effect or this pattern of glowing effect, bluish glowing effect. See here, the glowing effect is applicable here. Okay, so this is how you can design your different type of picture and clip art that will going to be inserted in your work. So if you want, you can close this.